Hello students, in this I will take an example of evaluation of postfix expressions. The algorithm already we have seen, and the previous algorithm of converting an infix expression into postfix also we have seen. Now let me take one example, infix like a plus b into c minus d. For that, if you can write, the postfix expression will be ABC star D minus and then plus. We will analyze this. We will evaluate this postfix expression by giving the values. For example, if you give value A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3, C is equal to suppose 2 and D is equal to 1. What happens? It is, so infix will be A plus B into C minus D. So it is equal to 2 plus B into C. 3 into 2 minus 1. So 3 into 2 is 6 minus 1. 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So 7 should be the answer. We will analyze this. Now conversion of this one, if you require I will do it. So I will do the conversion first. So first we will do the conversion. Conversion of infix to postfix. So the example I will straight away convert by writing the output like this. So here symbol, then stack and output. So these things. First stack is empty. From the infix, first take the symbol A. So converting infix into postfix first. Then we think of evaluating the expression. So first symbol is A. So the algorithm you recall, when it is an operand, just output that. Output. It is A. First stack is empty. Next symbol plus. Symbol is plus. So algorithm says if it is an operand, output that. No, plus is not an operand. If it is an opening parenthesis, no. Third one, if it is an operator, step 4. If it is an operator, yes, it is an operator. Now 4 substeps, 4a. If the top of the stack is empty, if the stack is empty, whether the stack is empty, yes. If the stack is empty, then push the operator onto the stack. Push it onto the stack. So plus. That's all. Next symbol. It is opening parenthesis. Opening parenthesis. It is not C. Don't confuse this one with the C. It's opening parenthesis. If it is an opening parenthesis, step number 2, push onto the stack. So push that onto the stack. Already stack contains plus. Now push that onto the stack. So next symbol B. B is an operand, so output that. So here A you must write as it is. So now B is also coming there. B operand, push onto the stack. Next one is star. Star is an operator. So again, fourth step and substeps. 4a. If the stack is empty, no, stack is not empty. Stack contains already 2 symbols. Next one, 4b. If the top of the stack is opening parenthesis, yes, the top of the stack is opening parenthesis, then push onto the stack. So this one you have to push onto the stack only. 4b is. So here plus, here I write, sorry, plus the operator star has to be pushed onto the stack. Plus opening parenthesis and this plus. That's all. So AB is as it is. AB. No change. So next symbol is C. C is an operand, so output directly. So it is A, B and C. Right? A, B and C. So next one, minus. Operator. So again, fourth step, 4a. If the stack is empty, no. 4b. If the top of the stack is opening parenthesis, no. It contains plus top of the stack. 4c. If it has the incoming symbol operator has more priority than the top of the stack. Whether this has more priority than plus, top of the stack is plus, whether minus symbol has, minus operator has more priority than plus, no, it is having equal priority. So it is also false. If it has higher priority than the top of the stack, then you have to push onto the stack. No. Then fourth step. What is the fourth step? So here pop operator from the stack. Then repeat step 4. Pop operator from the stack and output it. Repeat step 4. It is the 4 sub step 4. D. 4D. So then the incoming operator has, if it is more priority, then only push onto the stack. In this case, it is equal priority. Send pop operator and output them. Repeat step 4. So I will pop this. So here this contains plus. Now pop it here. I will write here A, B, C and plus. Plus. Repeat step 4. Again with the minus we have not done anything. Now once again step 4. 4A. If the stack is empty, no. 4B. If the top of the stack is opening parenthesis, yes. Now carefully analyze. The plus is already popped and written on the output. Now the top of the stack is opening parenthesis. Yes. If the top of the stack is opening parenthesis, push onto the stack. Now we have to push that minus onto the stack. Now plus is already removed here. So here I write plus opening parenthesis and this is minus. Plus is not there because it is already popped and written on the output. Correct? Carefully you should do this one. So minus push onto the stack because top is opening parenthesis. 4b. Right. With the minus we have finished. Next one is D. D is operand. Straight away right here. So I A, B, C plus D. Right. So A, B, C. I think we have missed that. This is it is not plus. It is star. Correct? No? This is star here. Right. This is star. Not plus. Star here. So this is star. Here in the place of star I have written plus by mistake. It is star here. Right? Remember. So that I am searching where is the star. Right? It is star here. Right. So C star. So now if it is having same lower priority only, star has higher priority, then pop that star. Perfect. Alright. So if minus has higher priority than the star, minus is having lower priority than the star. You try to understand star here, not plus. So it is correct. It has to be popped. Star comes here. So it contains top of the stack. So minus is pushed on the stack. D right here. It is star here, not after C. It is star, not plus. Next D is over. Next is closing parenthesis. Closing parenthesis. Here plus this one and opening parenthesis and minus. Now closing parenthesis. So it is step 5, main step 5. If it is closing parenthesis, then pop operators from the stack, output them until you come across the opening parenthesis. So closing parenthesis, pop operators. I will write here. It is here I will write A, B, C, star, D, minus. You have the opening parenthesis. Pop it and discard them. Even you pop the opening parenthesis and discard it. Right? That's all. Right? So for this one we have finished till this one. Pop the operator minus. First you got the first opening parenthesis. Even that also you pop it and don't write in the output. Discard that. Done. Now there is only plus. Any more symbol here? No. It is finished. So no symbol here. So no output. So what is the last step? If there is no more output, 7th step. Pop the remaining operators from the stack. Remaining operator is only plus, right? Plus is there. So you write here. I will write here. So it is A, B, C, star, D and minus and plus. See what you are getting is all right, correct? See that? See here, I have written. So this is manually, right? By just looking at the symbols I have written, but perfectly you will be getting by converting in this way using the algorithm. A, B, C, star, D, minus and plus. So this is the postfix format. What we have written here is perfectly alright. So now using another algorithm, evaluating the postfix, right? That we will do now. Evaluation of postfix. Now it is evaluation. Can you recall the algorithm? The while loop and algorithm. Evaluation of postfix algorithm. Now, same symbol, stack and output. Now this is our input now. So we should take from this one for evaluation. First algorithm to convert it, we have taken infix and we got the postfix. Now we are evaluating the postfix. So this is the expression we should consider. So take the symbols. First symbol A. If it is an operand, you have to push onto the stack, correct? So there are only two cases now. Observe this postfix. It contains no parenthesis, no opening parenthesis, no closing. It is already removed. So this contains either operands or operators. So algorithm, if it is an operand, then push onto the stack. It is the reverse of conversion. So stack contains A. Next symbol B. Push onto the stack. It is also an operand. A and B. Third symbol C. This is also operand. So A, B and C. Push onto the stack if it is an operand. Next symbol star. So the next step says else, means if it is an operator. In the while algorithm, recall the algorithm. Else it is an operator. Else means it is not an operand. It must be an operator. So else it is an operator. Else what you have to do? So two successive pops. Right? I write here. So if it is an operator, then here you must write the operations output. Like operand 1 is equal to pop. First pop. Pop. Right? It is C. Correct? Pop. First C, you are getting first operand C. Operand 2, once again pop. So two successive pops from the stacks. So when you first pop, C will be coming as operator 1, operand 1. Second is B. So value is equal to operand 2 symbol. Operand 2 is B. Symbol is star. Operand 1, it is C. Correct? So recall the steps. Operand 1, first pop. Operand 2, second pop. Again pop. So this goes B. Value is equal to B into C. B into where you are getting into the symbol. Operand 2, symbol, operand 1. Symbol is star here. Now substitute the value. How much is B? B is 3 is equal to star C is 2, so is equal to 6. So this value push onto the stack according to the algorithm. Push this value onto the stack. Now A is already there, B and C are pushed forward. Now C, the value of this one 6 is pushed. The value of the previous operation is pushed onto the stack. So next, again repeat for the next symbol. D, it is D. D is an operand. So push onto the stack. So A, 6, now D. Next symbol, minus. Minus. It is an operator. So again, this process. Operand 1, pop 1 is equal to first pop D. Operand 2 is equal to next pop 6. Value is equal to operand 2, 6, symbol minus, operand 1 d, 6 minus d is equal to 6 minus how much is d? 1 is equal to 5. So push the value onto the stack again. The value you have to again push onto the stack. So the a is there already, 6 and d popped. Now value push onto the stack. Now the stack contains a and the new value 5. So next take the next symbol, plus, last one, plus again operator. So do this operation. So operand 1 is equal to first pop 5, operand 2 is equal to second pop a, value is equal to operand 2 a, symbol plus operand 1 5. It is how much is a? A is 2. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So push the value onto the stack. 7. Push the value onto the stack. Value is pushed onto the stack. 7. Any more input? No more input. So no input here. No input. So what to do? The last step. If there is no more input, pop the values from the stack. Pop it from the stack, and that is the result. So result is equal to the value popped from the stack. There is only one value, which is 7. So look at that. The result of evaluation after converting into postfix, right? What you are getting is 7. So that is what we have verified here, correct? So when you directly substitute the values for infix expression, what you are getting is 7. So evaluation of infix is done first by converting into postfix and substituting. Using the algorithm, evaluate that postfix expression. So internally the compiler will use the postfix format for calculations. That is how we have seen this now using examples. So when you evaluate this postfix expression of the given infix, what you are getting is the result 7 that we have verified by substituting the values. Hope you have understood the using of this infix to postfix conversion algorithm, and after that evaluating the postfix expression to find the value, right? Thank you.